Waynesboro Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram delivers excellent service on your Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram vehicles, as well as all makes and models. Drive right into our state-of-the-art facility and our advisors will serve you. Just 2 years old, Waynesboro CDJR Service has the latest equipment and a knowledgeable service team totaling 75 years of combined technical knowledge. Our service department is led by Brad Robbins, the service manager, who himself was a master Ford and Chrysler tech. He is supported by Joe Thaxton, a service advisor, who was a technician for 20 years before moving on to the service lane. And your oil changes by Casey Glacken, our express lane advisor. So give Waynesboro Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram service a try. You'll be glad you did.